My mission is to motivate you guys to get really out there and to take action and look at opportunities wherever they may come. If customers are not ordering your original or your normal products, then I want you guys to think about what they are ordering. They are ordering masks, and it's an opportunity for you to not only help your local marketplace, but help your business thrive in the meantime. This is what one looks like, right? So this is 2 layers of cotton that is flat, all right? So this is how it goes. It works real nice. So the main thing is that how do you get access to them? How do you price them? How do you market them in your local business, right? So first, think about the end in mind on who you're going to offer it to.
Exactly.
What are you going to offer? And what are the quantities you're going to offer, right? So the availability is super important. So make sure that you have access to a reliable USA source for masks, right? So that, and number 2 is, who is your customer that you're going after? What are you going to price them? Look at the competition in your area. What are mask prices? Right now they're all over the place, but if you have masks available and you could put their logo on it and you can deliver it in a reasonable amount of time, which is super fast, then you got the deal, right? So you don't have to have the cheapest priced product.
Turn your competitors into your allies and to your customers. Right now there's going to be a lot of screen printers, a lot of individuals that do sublimation where they have customers where their customers might want something like this, but they don't have access to it. So, this is where you use those relationships to your advantage. And if you don't have any relationships, go on Google, type in screen printers, and boom, you're gonna see them all over they're like literally all over the place.
So if you're working from home, if you have a digital printer, the main thing is that put an offer up so that you can get out there and start selling to your customers, right? People are more comfortable shopping online, especially for a mask. So make sure that you guys have a proper way for people to go buy them easily. Make sure you're up on a website. If you don't have a platform, you have to think about your brand, right? If you're saying that you have something just to get an order and you don't have it and you got to scramble, you're damaging your reputation of your brand and you're causing chaos in your business, right? So make sure, that's a great point, that you have it available and have it available to ship, because price doesn't exist when you have something quality and you have it available now and that somebody needs it now. What your customer is out buying, get in front of them and provide them this product, right? So that means that the mask is what people are out there looking for, not a t-shirt right now or a hoodie, especially because it's super hot. The idea is offer them the mask instead of a shirt and keep your business going and really expand that. So number 2, it's super difficult to advertise any sort of mask and COVID-19 related products. We've had ads knocked down the whole time. So remember that if you can't rely on ads right now, you have to rely on email blasts. You have to rely on letting everybody know. Post on your organic social media. Try boosting those. Those are good methods to let people around you know what you have, because promotion will be super important. So use any decoration method as long as you can provide a quality product that gets that customer to come back for other stuff when you're open. So don't just offer it to offer it if you don't have the skill yet. Practice it and then do the offer.